If you've ever wanted to quickly change the color of clothing in your photos or content, for a social post, a creative design, or even just for fun, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to change clothing color in CapCut using a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to switch up wardrobe colors, but also unlock some creative possibilities for your own images and videos. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to add your image to CapCut. This is the photo or frame where you want to change the clothing color. If you're new to CapCut, just tap the big plus sign, select your image from your gallery, and import it into your project. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes high-quality images can take a few seconds, so don't worry if you see a bit of a delay. Now, here comes the important part, splitting your image. In CapCut, splitting is really about isolating the portion of your project you want to work with. If you're working on a video clip, slide to the specific frame where the clothing is most visible and tap Split. If it's just a photo, you can skip this. But for video, this step ensures you're working on exactly the scene you're interested in. Once you have your image or frame selected, the next step is to remove the background. This is essential because, to change the color of just the clothing, we want to separate it from everything else. The person's skin, the backdrop, all those other details. In CapCut, look for the Remove BG tool. It's CapCut's background remover, and it's surprisingly powerful. With one tap, it tries to detect and remove the background from your image. But here's a gentle tip. The automatic results aren't always perfect, especially with complex clothing or busy backgrounds. So don't worry if you see a few edges or bits that you want to fix. That's exactly where custom removal comes in. After removing the main background, choose custom removal to fine-tune your selection. This allows you to literally paint over or select just the clothing you want to change, making sure you only affect the shirt, dress, or whatever item you're targeting. Take your time here. Zoom in if you need to. Go around the sleeves or collars. Think of it like coloring inside the lines. The more precise you are, the better the final change will look. Once you've isolated the clothing, it's time to do the fun part. Adjust the color. Go to the Adjust panel in CapCut. Here, you've got a couple of powerful tools. The Color Wheel, which lets you shift hues creatively, and the HSL, Hue, Saturation, Luminance, sliders for even finer control. Experiment. Want that red jacket to turn blue? Slide the color wheel towards blue tones. Or use the HSL sliders to subtly shift hue, amp up saturation, or darken the shade for dramatic effects. It's a bit like mixing paint. You're not changing the whole canvas, just one little area. Now, if you're working on a video project, it's always nice to add a transition, so the color change feels smooth and professional. Look for transition options in CapCut, and try adding a fade or dissolve between your original frame and the new color. This creates a seamless look, almost like a magic wardrobe change. And that's it. You've just changed clothing color in CapCut using easy steps and a bit of creative precision. If the color adjustment doesn't look perfect at first, don't stress. Sometimes it takes a couple of tweaks to nail the shade you want. Play around and see what works for your image. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or run into any issues with these steps, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical CapCut tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.